Okay, we will start Laplace transform of integrals. Suppose in case in Laplace if some integral comes, how to solve such type of problems? Laplace transform of integrals. How will you solve Laplace transform of integrals is, suppose if you have Laplace of integral of 0 to t f of t dt, that thing can be written as, first find Laplace of f of t, then you will get f of s. So how many integrations are there? One integration. So do divided by s. Laplace of integral of 0 to t, integral of 0 to t, f of t, dt. If you have, then what you will do? First find Laplace of f of t, you will get f of s. How many integrations are there? Two integrations. So s square. Likewise, if you have three integrations, s cube. Likewise, if you have n integrations, f of t, dt up to n, then how will you solve? F of s by s raised to pi n. Okay, hope you got this. Let us solve few problems. Problem number 12. What is that? Laplace of integral of 0 to t e power t sin t by t dt. Okay, first we will remove this part, then first find this part, Laplace of e power t sin t by t. But what we don't know, what you call, we have kept this thing aside, and then here first shifting property we will keep aside. Then we have Laplace of sin t by t. First find Laplace of sin t by t. As you know, Laplace of sin t by t is very easy, s to infinity 1 by s square plus 1, already we have done, into ds. So this thing I can write it as tan inverse of s varying from s to infinity, then final answer you will get it as cot inverse of s. Now apply Laplace inverse of e power t sin t by t. We have got sin t by t value as this. Then e power t is simply do transformation s from s to s minus 1. Do s minus 1. So we will get cot inverse of s minus 1. Cot inverse of s minus 1. And finally what we have to do? Integral 0 to t e power t sin t by t dt. So we have found out up to this value is this thing. Then integral means one integration, so divided by 1 s, f of s divided by s. So this is the answer. Then are you ready to solve problem number 13? Are you ready to solve problem number 13? Yes, come on, let us solve problem number 13. What they are saying? Laplace of integral of 0 to t cos 2t minus cos 3t divided by t dt. So we will keep integration aside. Cos 2t by 3t by t. I will apply integral linearity property. Cos 2t by t minus Laplace of cos 3t by t. Okay, then what I will get here? Integral s to infinity s by s square plus a square 4 minus integral s to infinity. Why s to infinity? Because division by t. Then cos 3t I can write it as s by s square plus a square, that is 3 square 9. Apply what you call, as we don't know like the formula for this, what we can do now, let us assume s square equal to some t. Okay, then 2s ds can be written as, here there will be ds, 2s ds can be written as how? Dt. So s ds can be written as dt by 2. Come on, substitute dt by 2 here. Integral s to infinity, so here s ds can be written as dt by 2 by, this will be s square is t plus 4 is equal to, minus here also same, as s to infinity dt by 2 by s ds is dt by 2 by s square is how much? T plus 9. Now what you will do? Now what I do is, dt 1 by 2 I will take out common, then dt 1 by 2 I will take out common, then dt by t plus 4, that is 1 by x is log x. Here also 1 by x is log x. Apply that thing. I have taken 1 by 2 outside, then log of, what you will get? Log of t plus 4 minus log of t plus 9. Limits are s to infinity. Limits are s to infinity. Now what you will get? 1 by 2 log a minus log b can be written as log a plus b by log a by b. Okay, limits varying from s to infinity. So now limits may also change, but what I am doing, I am again changing the values. So log t means what? S square. So s square plus 4 by s square plus 9. I have changed, so limits are also remaining same. Then 1 by 2 log, we will take x square common. Why? Because we cannot evaluate log infinity value. So I will take s square common. 1 plus 4 by s square by s square into 1 plus 9 by s square. So s to infinity. Now apply limits. S square cancel. If we apply this, will become 0. That will be log 1 minus log, this will be again s square plus 4 by s square plus 9. Then what I will get? 1 by 2. This I will do inverse of that. So log of s square plus 9 by s square plus 4. Why? Because this is 0 minus. This minus I will send here as we have done in previous problem. This will become again s square plus 9 by s square plus 4. Now they are asking us the value of what? Laplace of, we have found out up to Laplace of cos 2t minus 3t by t dt, but they are asking integral 0 to 2 dt also. So if there is integral, what we have to do for final problem, we have to do division by s. Okay, that means 2s, 1 by 2s log of s square plus 9 by s square plus 4. This is the correct answer.